A typical homework assignment might be to take the rules for divisibility and decide whether numbers 2 through 11 would go into a larger number. All right, now the rules are even numbers. That's what we're going to look for first. And of course, we have found an even number, so 2 automatically will divide evenly into that number with no remainder. 4, 6, and 8 only go into even numbers also. So this number certainly could be in the running. The fact is that there are a couple of other divisibility rules that could be helpful in this situation, but overall, the different places where you'll use divisibility of numbers, it's probably enough that you know that 4, 6, and 8 only go into even numbers. That's the quickest way. But I'll go ahead and discuss them anyway. 4's extended rule for divisibility says that if the last 2 digits of the number is divisible evenly by 4, then the whole number is. In this case, 4 will not evenly go into 18, so we're going to have to say no to the 4. With the extended rule for 8 says if the last 3 digits of the number is divisible by 8, then the whole number is. In this case, we would have to use the whole entire number. So 318 divided by 8, we could do some finger division here. 8 goes into 31 3 times. That's 24 with a remainder of 7. 8 will not evenly go into 78, so 8 is no on this particular number. The rule for 6's combines the rules for even numbers and the rules for 3's. So let me take it back here. We know that 6 might go into it because it's an even number. Then if we use the rule for 3's, adding the digits, we will see if 3 will also divide in this. If both of those are yeses, then 6 will work into this number. So we have here 3 will divide into 12 evenly, so we can say that 3 will also divide, or 6 will also divide into 318. I'll show you with actually dividing the problem out. 6 goes into 31 5 times with 1 left over. 6 goes into 18 3 times. It has no remainder. Okay, next. Does the number 318 end in a 0 or a 5? No. So these numbers don't work, 5 or 10. We're not sure about 11. That would have to be an actual division. 11 goes into 31 2 times. That would be 22. Subtract, we're going to have to borrow in this. Okay, so we're getting a 98. No, that's not a twin double digit, so 11 will not work either. Let's come back and check now for our 3's. We added the digits to check for our 6's. Remember, this made 12. 3 plus 1 is 4, and 8 more is 12. 3 will definitely divide into 12, so 3 will divide into 318. 9, however, will not divide into 12 evenly, so that would be no. And the last in our series is the 7. We would have to divide it out because the trick here is divide by 7. 7 divides into 31 4 times. That would give us 28. 29, 30, 31, we have a remainder of 3. And 7 will not evenly go into 38, so 7 is a miss.